go.
Hi.
Hit that ball right there. Which one's your ball? Like all 4 of them? You have like 10 balls over there? Come on. Come on. What? Alright. Watch how the pro does it over here.
Like I said, help yourself. Don't